How to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on the chat where you want to send disappearing photos. Click on camera like button at the bottom right, which is beside clip and voice message. Then simply select a photo or take a photo. Then you'll find one option at the bottom right above arrow. Simply click on it and it will be colored. After it's colored, simply click on send located at bottom right, which is the arrow. After that, you're good to go. This is how to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time. Thank you for watching.